Hey guys, it's Jules. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video today. This video was from the summertime and I just found it, so I wanted to edit it, upload it because I thought it was so cute and so much fun because I just went on a trip and we cooked a little bit and we went on the lake. It was a lot of fun. So if you want to watch, keep watching. Subscribe if you're new. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video.
So we're just going to slather it on right now because we don't care. Looks good. No. Trust me, that's like not it. That's not it, man. She doesn't like you.
Wait for her to pounce. I have to bring. Oh.
She's stuck.
Hey, let me help you.
Ooh, the fries look good. Pizza's looking decent. We're gonna put it on the pan with the pizza.
Okay, so we're just gonna like look up to the. Okay, wait. We should.
You can sneak a cat into your dorm.
How are you gonna take care of a cat with your busy schedule? And some of these.
There'll be the little. Oh, nice job.
Drop some garlic on there. Oh, right.
Whatever's left over on this, just put it on the pizza.
Okay. Oh my goodness! Please come off, Steph. It's a lot of garlic. Okay. On this side? Which side?
I don't know. Wherever. He sounds.
Okay, so but like.
I mean, spread it a little, maybe.
We're working on it. Spreading.
Looks good.
Pineapples on?
No.
Garlic's on.
No.
Are you making a drink with the pineapple juice?
Yes.
No.
Let's see. Okay. So we're gonna do that. We need lemonade. Spray a dice. And then we shake it.
How much lemonade?
I have no portion control, so you can put however much. It's probably a bad idea to shake Sprite, so we'll put that in after. You can put. Do you want me to hold it? Okay. You gotta get like a lot of ice because there is no shortage of ice in this household. There are snakes in this water. And we're gonna die. But we don't care, so this is why we're in it. So let's go.
Go.
Push it.
It's out.
You can release it. I'll reach it. Here I go. Bye.
Bye.
I'm obviously not going to school for swimming. Oh yeah. Woo! Luca who? Rachel who? Tim who? Actually,
Phil
no.
who? Going to Duke? What?
Well, that was quite adventurous. Oh, that was fun. What are you? Oh, no.
My gosh.
No. Where was it?
Should we try that again?
Yeah, this time farther out. So your turn.
I'm getting anxiety. Oh, there's so many bugs on this.
Oh my god, it's slipping.
Okay.
It's not that far out.
That's some more soon, right?
Yeah. I can't tell. Oh my god, my nose is so itchy.
Oh my god.
We didn't get that far yet, but we are. That's like nice to cruise, you know?
Yeah, we're cruising.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
It's Kitten here.
It's what?
Your cat.
Oh, captain.
Hey, do you have any?
I'm the co-captain. My hair is actually a cobweb. All right, let's have some topics to talk about.
Okay.
I love how I'm holding my phone over the water. It's great. Topic.
I'm so sorry I was not looking at you.
Topic numero uno. What is your butterfly?
I don't have a butterfly.
What is your favorite food?
I freaking love chicken wings, but I also really love ramen, and I also really love burgers. But French fries, I'll always choose the side with French fries. If I had to choose, it'd probably be like wings.
Good choice. My favorite food, probably either French fries or honestly any fruit, like watermelon or mango. That's my favorite, mango for sure.
Fruit. Have you ever tried grilled watermelon?
Honestly, I gotta say I probably have.
Did you like it? Do you think?
I don't remember.
Oh my god. I need ice cream. My nose is so itchy.
Have you ever had grilled pineapple?
I think so, but I'm gonna say I don't like it.
Yeah, it's kind of like pineapple on pizza. It tastes the same. You know those things that you put in your bath? It's like a table for your bath. I think that would have been great
Yeah.
for in here.
That really would have been great. Some grapes and cheese and wine. Nice candle.
Honestly, I think we could fit like 10 people in here.
I think so too. Make it a party.
Yeah. I don't know why those people didn't want to come here.
Yeah, you know, like you don't have anything better to do.
I think we're getting some color.
Are we?
I think so. We're in the in the sun.
We're in the tan. Just like...
But there's so...
Alright, doctor, what's the procedure? I think we should start with the syrup.
Hit me with some chocolate syrup.
I think we would drizzle on the side. Please come out. Ah!
What? I only agreed to whipped cream.
Whipped cream. Stat!
Oh, I'll put that in. I'm hungry.
1,
2, 3, 4.
Some chocolate.
Here we go. Either way. Then, Jesus Christ. Your freezer's hella good.
Thank you.
And
All right.
good.
We need some more whipped cream. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Bite it from the
Thank
middle.
you. The thumbnail.
Smile. Okay. Hold on.
Okay, go. That's a hefty bite.
Honestly, it's not that bad. If there was less whipped cream. There's a little too many. I'll finish it.
You have to. I think that's a way of saying that he actually really likes it.
Mm-hmm.
Yay!